guys, thanks for watching Homesteading on the Side, and tonight for dinner we're going to make baked spaghetti. So for this recipe we are going to need some cream cheese, sour cream, freshly grated Parmesan, an onion. I know this is small, but this comes from my garden, and I happen to know that it is extremely potent. A pound of spaghetti, salt and pepper, olive oil, garlic salt, and then marinara. This is my home canned marinara. It can be your own home canned. It can be a jar, anything that you prefer. And then 1 pound of ground beef. So let's get started. So I've got my pasta started in boiling water. Make sure you salt that. You want your pasta to have flavor when it goes into your dish. So that just started and it's well salted and the pasta's going. So excuse the bowl, that's for the bread tonight. I'll leave a link to it up above, but I'm doing Italian bread tonight. And then here's my pot with olive oil. You can see when it ripples, it's ready. And I'm going to add my onion. I said this is from my garden and I know that it is potent. So I don't need a whole lot of it, but usually I would just do like a whole small onion and a couple cloves of garlic. So there's that. Sorry guys, remember to salt and pepper every layer. So let me get this going and let me add the beef, because the beef will be ready to go in here in just a second. Let me add the beef and I'll be right back. So now it's time to layer it. I've got just a light layer of the marinara in the bottom of a greased baking dish. And I'm going to take half of the spaghetti. I only you can make more sauce and then do more layers if you want. But I'm going to just do 2. I find that it all sinks in good. And then just kind of, I said they're hot, so make sure you don't touch them. Sorry. And get them all. I said you want to use all these noodles, so that's why I do 2 layers. That's good. And then do a layer of the cream cheese mixture, which there'll be plenty for you to do 2 layers. So let me get the first layer done. So there's the layer, and I went ahead and put some of the Parmesan cheese on it for just a light layer over the top. And then you're just going to repeat. Start by adding some marinara. I said mine is thicker than like you buy at in the grocery store, so mine's not as juicy. But that's alright. It doesn't make a problem. Alright. There's that. And I leave enough marinara to put on top for the very, very top layer. So there's that. Let me go ahead and do the rest of my noodles. And then you just repeat the layer. Do your cream cheese, a thing of sour cream, or Parmesan cheese, and then I just put the rest of the marinara on top and it'll be done. We'll be right back. So there it is, layered up and ready to go into a 350-degree oven until everything on top is melty and bubbly and the cheese will brown. Here it is, fresh out of the oven. It's all bubbly and brown on top. So let it cool a little bit before you slice into it. That way it'll set. Hope you enjoy.